Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm here today making pink Moscato body scrubs for my site reopening January 14th, 2022. So here I have Himalayan pink salt as the base to remove toxins. It exfoliates the skin and removes dead skin cells. There are a lot of benefits to Himalayan pink salt, as well as adding over almost 100 minerals back to your skin that it deserves. Here I'm adding a bunch of moisturizing and antibacterial oils, such as organic coconut oil. There's some avocado oil in there. Also, I created a custom essential oil blend specifically for this scrub to cleanse and purify your skin and your pores. Thus, so your skin can take the products way better than what they would if your pores are clogged and are filled with toxins. So this scrub is amazing for lightening dark spots. It's beautiful for your bikini area, being that it's not a sugar scrub base. And it does have citrus oils in it, so that it will lighten any dark areas, including under the arms. Here I'm just mixing it up really good, just making sure that everything, all of the oils are incorporated before I add the roses to the scrub. Want to make sure the texture is already pretty much there. So I am mixing away. Here I added just a little more coconut oil for the texture, and now I'm adding the roses to the scrub. Roses are an amazing antibacterial, antifungals as well. Really good in this scrub. It does add also some exfoliation to the scrub as well. And just the benefits and the love you feel in roses, it just makes this scrub so exquisite and luxurious. So I really love the addition of roses to this scrub, and you can also smell it in the scrub as well. And roses are an aphrodisiac, so that's a plus. And that is a wrap. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and continuing to support me and my brand, Pearls Essentials Cosmetics. I am so excited and look forward to opening up on January 14th, 2022. So see you there. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.